When an HVAC technician is out in the field, the front desk is the primary lifeline for new business. If that phone rings and goes to voicemail, that customer isn't leaving a message. They're calling your competitor. Every missed call is a lost ticket. To fix this, we can deploy a dedicated voice AI receptionist. This is a conversational system that answers the phone, handles the intake, routes genuine emergencies, and plugs directly into your existing field service software. Whether your dispatch board runs on ServiceTitan, Jobber, or HouseCall Pro, this automated workflow connects right into your current ecosystem. You need 3 things to build this: an active voice AI platform account, administrative rights to your CRM, and a dedicated forwardable phone number. This diagram shows the complete workflow we are going to build. It starts the moment the customer's phone rings, passes the caller's audio through an AI processing node, and terminates by automatically creating a new ticket right on your CRM dashboard. By setting up this loop, you ensure every single caller speaks to a representative immediately, capturing revenue that used to slip right through the cracks. Our first step is establishing the system's operational boundaries. We have to tell the AI exactly what it is allowed to do before we open the software. Otherwise, the system will get confused and frustrate callers. Looking at this routing diagram, the AI needs to identify and sort incoming calls into 3 distinct branches: routine bookings, emergency dispatch, and general FAQs. For standard maintenance requests or simple questions about your service area, the AI handles the entire conversation. It collects the necessary details and resolves the call without any human intervention. However, there is a strict failsafe we must enforce. The AI is a receptionist, not a technician. It must never attempt to diagnose hardware issues over the phone. If a caller reports a burning smell or a frozen coil, the system immediately flags it and routes the call to a human dispatcher. We enforce these rules in the configuration dashboard by writing the AI's baseline system prompt. This is a set of text instructions that establishes the AI's persona as a helpful receptionist and explicitly commands it to avoid diagnosing mechanical problems. Writing a tightly constrained prompt like this protects your business liability and stops the AI from making up incorrect technical advice. With the AI's behavior set, we need to build the bridge between the conversational layer and your dispatch software. We do this using an API connection. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a software intermediary that allows 2 different applications to talk to each other. Inside the administrative settings of ServiceTitan, Jobber, or HouseCall Pro, navigate to the Developer section and click Generate API Key. Treat this key like a secure password. Next, we set up webhooks. A webhook is an automated message sent from an app when a specific event happens. In this case, it's the mechanism that pushes the data the AI collects from the caller directly into the correct blank fields in your CRM. Looking at the data mapping diagram, we have to align the variables. We draw a connection from the data block labeled AI caller name over to the block labeled CRM customer name. We repeat this process for the rest of the intake data. The AI's phone number variable links to the CRM's contact field, and the customer's stated issue routes directly into the job notes section. Once mapped, execute the test connection command. This sends a dummy packet of data to visually verify that the 2 platforms successfully completed the digital handshake. This precise mapping turns a basic conversational chatbot into an active, reliable data entry assistant. Now that the data flows correctly, we need to adjust the conversational pacing. Default AI settings often process a bit too slowly, creating awkward silences on the phone that confuse human callers. To fix this, we adjust a setting called endpointing. Endpointing dictates exactly how many milliseconds the AI waits for the user to finish speaking before it begins to reply. Right next to it, we increase the interruption sensitivity. If a stressed homeowner interjects or speaks over the AI, this setting ensures the automated voice stops talking immediately and listens. Dialing in these conversational parameters takes the system from feeling like a rigid robot to a natural interface that builds immediate trust. Let's run a live simulation to prove the architecture works. We are going to simulate an inbound call from a homeowner whose heater has completely failed in the middle of winter. During the call, the AI asks for the homeowner's name, phone number, and address. When the caller describes the broken heater, the AI logs the symptom but strictly follows its system prompt: offering no mechanical diagnosis. The moment the AI terminates the call, we look at the right side of the screen. The CRM dispatch board instantly populates a new, fully detailed job ticket card containing all the information gathered during the conversation. The financial return for HVAC companies is straightforward. You are capturing highly profitable after-hours emergency revenue without having to pay human dispatchers to staff the phones overnight. During standard business hours, this automation takes repetitive data entry off your front desk staff's plate, freeing them up to handle complex customer service escalations that require genuine human empathy. Your next step is to expand the system's knowledge base. Take your specific flat-rate pricing sheets and upload them into the AI's training data so it can provide accurate estimates. Mastering this voice AI infrastructure turns the HVAC front desk from a constant operational bottleneck into a 24/7 automated revenue generator.